Hello, guys. So today I'm back, and I want to present you with a product that I actually got it for free. So I recently bought a pull-up, bar. I bought a pull-up bar. It's not. It's like a pull-up bar, but it's some kind. It, that's there's a lot of pull-up exercises that you can do. And at the same time, when I bought that, I recently got this for free. So this is called the fitness concept. Actually, the fitness concept is not the product name. Actually, it's the shop name. So I think this is like a worldwide business because I don't think that, but it's kind of obvious to see this. Like they have a digital jump rope. Like they say it's without the cord. Okay, like you see this, like I cannot really see anything. So it's like 2.8 meters, the string, but I don't know what this is, like a weighted ball over here. So the product actually looks like this. You can also have the string, or you can also do like this, but they give it's like a timer, I think. So it said over here, like, the cordless jump rope suitable for indoor jumping, even in small spaces. No need to worry about space constraints, hitting your leg or tripping. Totally tangles free. Like, what do you mean by tangles free? Okay, like, mean different heights and effectively target the whole body. Okay, I don't really understand what you're trying to say. This is kind of obvious. They gave like a lot of images over here. It's like counter. What do you mean by the count? Is it the counting machine? I think. Does anyone know about this anyway? So they have a 2.8 meters of anti-cracking rope, and adjustable, no cutting needed. What do you mean by this? And storage bag. But I know this is a storage bag. They have kept it in I think like in the plastic, I think. So let's open this anyways, without wasting the time. Let's see. So like they say, this, I think this is the storage bag. Wow, it really looks like a seal. So this, let's open it. Like, I don't always go to the fitness concept place, but since like I went for one time and just suddenly bought a not me, but my father bought this, and he got this for free. So I think this is the weighted ball they are talking about. I don't have any clue about this, so for those who are watching, can you please help me, like, to tell that what is this actually for? I have seriously no idea, and I can see that they gave the rope over here. I think this is the rope for in case if you are an expert in skipping rope. And yeah, and I think this is not the thing. I think, like, this is the string. Yeah, I can see that. So let's on this machine anyways. So what is this? They said like cals. What do you mean by that? Is it the height or something? So this is like, is adjustable. I'm so scared. Like, what if I just like take this out? Like, what is this anyways? Like, 6 2. What is this? Miles. Oh, this is the kilometer. And yeah, so okay, how do I off this anyways? This. So what I'm trying to ask is, like, for those who bought this, like, this kind of like a product, Like, can you please tell that what is the meaning of this actually? Like, I mean, if you have like a virtual skipping rope machine like this, I seriously have no clue about this, and they only gave this one. I don't know why they gave like this, I think. So they say that there is a ball here, so I think this is it. Does it go like this anyway? Is it like adjustable? So I'm gonna try anyways. Let's see if this is the way. Whoa, I can't even show you that if I'm doing the right thing or not. It's so hard. Yeah, I think it comes like this. Yeah, I think it's like this. Guys, I am really so confused. But I think this is it. And the rope is going like inside, in and out. See, I'm not doing anything, but it's like going inside and out. And they also have another thing inside this. What is this? Is this a manual or something? Oh, they gave a screwdriver, and they gave a battery, but we already have a battery, so there's no use for this anyways. So I'm kindly asking you guys, if you know anything about this, can you please tell the whole thing that I don't know what is this. Okay, so what is this actually? This, wait, I can take it out for you and show you, so you can take a close look and give me a hint about this. Alright, so I think this is the bit that, what do we do about this? Do you just insert this inside? So I think it goes like this, but I don't see it going inside anyways. Alright, I don't want to break this thing. So there's nothing inside the box anyways. I hope you can see that what I'm trying to ask you guys. Like, if you don't hear my voice, like, you can comment below. Anyways, those who are watching this video, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to myself, because maybe I can do some of my intellectual learning videos or online learning. Like, you can ask any questions you want. If we meet to like 20 subscribers, I can maybe do my face reveal between next year or this year. I don't know, where was I? If you have heard some of voices coming, I'm really so sorry. It's my mother, because I actually need to do some work for her. So I don't know where I left, but thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe or like to this video anyways. Okay, subscribe.